everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I have this box from Ipsy, and I do believe this is my Ipsy Open Studios. This is my PR box for the month of March. I'll give you a quick little peek in my box real fast. So this box is so kindly gifted to me by Ipsy each and every month. Glam bag, which is $13 a month, $1.99 shipping and handling. We get 5 beauty, skincare, hair care tools, you name it, we get it. And they're usually deluxe samples. Occasionally we get a full-size product. And in your glam bag, you get to choose one product, and the others are chosen by Ipsy. And then we get a plus bag, which is $28 a month, $1.99 shipping and handling. It's a monthly box. Also, you get 5 full-size beauty products, beauty, skincare, makeup, tools. And the tools, you'll get a brush set. You won't just get a single brush. You do get to customize 3 of the items out of the 5. They pick 2. I do pay tax. A lot of you probably do pay tax also. Before we get in, I have the lipstick that I purchased from Appeal Cosmetics. I think this was the Boxy haul purchase. And this is the shade right here. I have it on today. Very nice lip product. I figured as I wear them, I'll share them so that you can see it on. Because I'm not going to be, I did swatch it when I got it, but now you can see it on with my skin color and hair color. It feels very nice. It's not drying, it's creamy, it's wonderful. So let's get into the spoilers for March. So if you don't want to know what you could get, you know, don't watch today. And once you pick your choices or get your bags, come back and watch. Don't forget me. But these are spoilers, things that you could get in your glam bag or glam bag plus for March. Step into your power is the box themes for March. For March, everything is as normal for Ipsy and for BoxyCharm. Everything stays the same. April is all the changes. Inside, this is basically, you know, Ipsy Open Studios. All that changed. The name changed starting April. I think April or March. April. So things are slightly different. So this is the glam bag. This is beautiful. You can feel the texture. Here's the pole. Can you see that? Beautiful. With the beautiful, like, royal blue pole. And that has a woman on it. Probably that matches the card. And I'll take everything out. I think, wow, for once, everything is the same. Interiors were blue. I love these style bags. I have 2 of these in my handbag just to keep things. I like because it's got this little flap, so things don't seem to just fall out so easily. And I just have, like, all my lip balms and chapsticks and a spare lipstick. And the other one I have, like, some pens and tissues and things like that, and these just slip right in my handbag. So much easier when I want to find something. Lovely, lovely bag. I do like that. So here I do have all samples, it looks like. From Hey Honey, I have the Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. Please excuse the nails. I still don't feel like doing them, and I will get to them this weekend. I just don't have the energy for it. Been struggling with my back, so this is, you know, my nails are not a priority. You know, I was lucky that I showered today. I was like, oh, I just don't feel like it. It does have a seal. I'll leave it sealed. I'm not mad at a serum. This is from Glow on Fifth Beauty Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. This is completely sealed. I'll leave it sealed. I don't know if I'll keep this. I don't know. I have to make sure it's not a charcoal. It says mud, but I'll make sure. Well, this is nice. From Tarte Lash Treat. And this is Volumizing Mascara. Nice little sample. I love that. What are we? Whoosh. This says, oh, I think I had it right first. Hair Nova. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It's right there. I'm assuming this is an eyeliner. I cannot, for the life of me. Let's see what this says. It says Pear Nova. Ooh. Oh, this is a lip. Lunar lip style in rocket ship. Well, maybe I have to open it. I thought it was an eyeliner. Where do you open? Okay. Let me see if I can find those little tabs. Open it. Oh, it's a lip liner. Okay, I don't think I can open it though. Where are the tabs? Right there. Oh, let me see if I can use my trusty blade here and get this started so I can at least show you what it looks like. I know when to get cut doing this. Okay. I just needed to grab a hold of it so that you can just, you know, pull down. Get this off. I thought this was an eyeliner. Man, that print is so small. Rocket Ship. Pear Nova. Okay, let's... Oh, it is a lip. That's a lip liner. Or maybe a lipstick. I would say a lip liner. Right there. I might go with the shade I have on today. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I thought eyeliner because of the tube, but that's a lip liner. And this is from Kinship. We've gotten these in the past. Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. Eye Serum. What does that say? Cream. I'll show it to you. It's just a little tube. I have a couple of them. Oh, it is tiny. Here we go. Tiny little tube. And it's not even full. Like the product is up to here. So I would say just a couple uses. I'm trying to think what the other Kinship stuff is that I have. Didn't you know? I can't find them. So that's the Glam bag spoilers. I like the lip liner and the Tarte mascara. That doesn't, like, oh, I'm going to put my lipstick back here. That doesn't overly impress me for a glam bag, if I'm being honest. Just is not. I'm trying to get this stuff out of my way. It really just doesn't impress at all. Hopefully our bags are better. I have no idea. I don't remember what I picked. Honestly. What did I pick for my glam bag? I'm going to get the glam bag for March. I think when all this switches over, then I guess I'll just stay with the glam bag and the Boxy by Ipsy, which is like base and plus together. And then the glam bag. I just think that it's weird that that's all they're offering. I don't get it, but I'm not supposed to. It's like BoxyCharm will never exist. That's what it seems like to me. So this is the bag for the Plus. Very cute. I love these satchels. Many, many uses besides what, you know, you would think. You could travel with them, put shoes in there so that they don't dirty up your suitcase and your clothing. Like especially like flip-flops or sandals. You can pack your undies or put your bras in there, your socks, and just have everything nice. I use packing cubes, but that kind of stuff works wonderfully for me. And even if you throw a couple of these in your bag, like if you go to the beach on vacation, you can just grab one of these to put like your ID, your phone, and stuff like that. Cinch it closed, take it with you. Multiple uses. I put all my charging cords and like my earbuds, all that kind of stuff in. So it's just, it is nice. First item for Plus is from Lavido, inspired by nature, aromatic body lotion, and this is musk and coconut. I don't know if this has a seal on it. It does. I can smell through it though. I can smell the coconut. Coconut is usually pretty strong. I'm not angry at that. I could use a good body lotion. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. 4 fluid ounces, 120 ml for all skin types. Okay. Oh, this is nice. From Ren Clean Skin, Ever Calm Barrier Support Elixir. You could use this if you have sensitive skin. This should be a glass bottle. A lot of their products are, and they're just, yeah, just feels luxurious to me. Yeah, I cannot read that where it says to use. I can't read it on the back of the box either. Oh. Camellia in it, organic, Inca, whew, some kind of other oil. Their stuff is very good. Moisture barrier is strengthening. Skin feels more comfortable and calmed. Use daily. Warm 5 drops in the palm of your hand and apply by gently patting over the face, neck, and décolleté. I love their products. Ooh, right here. Very, very nice. Happy for that. What else do I see? This I'll probably share. First Aid Beauty Mineral Sunscreen, Zinc Oxide, Broad Spectrum, SPF 30. Very good product. I just don't need any more. I have some, and I think this will go. Well, this is really a nice bottle. I don't think I would get to it. Safe for sensitive skin. Is there a date? Expires October 2024. I might keep that because that will hold for a while. What do we have here? From Ofra, long lasting liquid lipstick. And I have the shade. I didn't know. Where are you? Pasadena. The shade looks nice. I love Ofra's liquid lips. My favorites ever are the ones that Madison Miller did with Ofra. They are some of my favorite. It is a doe foot. It's such a close. And these are matte liquid lipsticks. It's right here. This is the lip liner from the Glam bag, and then this. Pretty close. If you wanted to put the lip liner on it slightly darker, it might bring that color down a little bit. Well, I'm excited for that. I do like their products. And then my last product is from Wander Beauty. This is Sunkissed Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Okay. Generally, I'm not a fan of the combination eye and face, but we'll see. Oh, it has nice texture to it. Nice little palette. Does have a mirror, a protective shield. I like to always say that. I'll block it. And this is the palette. I probably will share this. It's just, I don't like the combination of eye and face. Great to travel with. That is a great to travel with. So we have a beautiful highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, and then your neutral shadows. Yeah, I think I'll share this. I don't think I'll keep this. This is just I mean, it's great travel, great throw in your bag, like if you're at work or even going out and things like that for touch-ups. But I'll share. I don't think I will keep that. Love the lip. I'll keep the sunscreen. I love Ren. I know we've gotten these types before. I just don't think I kept them, if I'm honest. And this has to be made in like Korea. Oh, made in Israel. I saw, you know what, I should have realized. I saw this and right away thought Korean, but the symbols are more Arabic. So this is made in Israel. Nice. Maybe did I get this in maybe my Artsa box? Maybe, I don't know. I know we've received these before, but like I said, I don't think I've ever kept one. I will keep that. I love coconut. So that to me, right there. I am excited for my Plus. I'm not so excited for the Glam bag, honestly. I mean, I love the bag. I just don't, like, if these are samples of what's going to be in there, it's like, you know, scraping bottom of the barrel, it seems like. In my opinion. And that very well could be because they're coming to, you know, the end. Even though they're going to continue the Glam bag, they talk about better brands and all that kind of stuff. So we have the lip liner and then these tiny, like this barely like can fit in the palm of my hand. So a little disappointing on the Glam bag, but I love the back. That is a given. The Plus I'm excited for. So let me know your thoughts. Are you getting, still getting your products? Are you giving any thought to what you're going to do come April. Yeah, I don't know. I know I mentioned it in my update video. I love my Luxe, Boxy Luxe. I'm not such a big fan of the Glam Bag X. And that seems like they're doing away with that, and it's more going to be the Glam Bag X. Even though they say they're bringing them together, I honestly feel that Ipsy bought BoxyCharm for just a couple reasons. Subscribers, absolutely. I think BoxyCharm had better brands and better connections with brands, so they want them brands for Ipsy. And then what did I say was the third one? I thought of a third one. The brands, the subscribers, and there was something else. Now I can't remember. I had three things I just thought about, and the third one's gone. But I just think that Luxe is like premium. How long is it going to be available? Is that going to be a drop shop? Is that going to be an upgrade? Are we going to be able to buy it? Like premium. I loved all my BoxyCharm boxes. Luxe was my favorite. And like that's gone. It's going to still be the influencer, based Glam Bag X icon box. What they like, well, that might not be what I like. Yeah, granted, I don't have to buy it. At least with Luxe, you picked your couple products and they curated your box. Were they always great, Boxy Luxe? No, but for the most part, I enjoyed them. You got your money's worth. I just have no idea. I get an email today from Ipsy that I'm going to be charged for all my March bags before my February Glam Bag X even ships. Hasn't even shipped yet. I have no email saying it's shipped, no tracking, nothing. I've seen people get their Glam Bag X already. What are they doing? I'm like, so I'm going to, I already have, these are already in, March. Obviously it is March, but like it hasn't even shipped yet. Like at least I have my Glam Bag, which I will be unboxing after this, but my Ipsy PR came first, so that gets done first. But, I have my February Glam Bag, and I've had it probably a couple days. I don't film every day. I bulk film and then just edit them and space them out throughout the week. This just came today, so I'll do this one first, because these are spoilers for March. But, like, I've had my Glam Bag. I don't understand, like, why it's not even shipped yet. I mean, I'm just totally a non-believer in Glam Bag X anyway, and then all the problems I had, and they still haven't even shipped it. And I know a lot of people didn't get theirs yet, but I've seen people unbox them already. I mean, like, come on, Ipsy, what are you doing? We're heading into the next month already. I just don't get it. I don't get it. That's why I'm, like, doubtful. Hopeful, but doubtful come April. They can't even get their stuff from February out, and we're supposed to be excited for what's going to happen in April. I'm finding it hard to get that excitement level up. I really am. I would love to know how you feel. Did you, if you're getting Glam Bag X, did you even get it yet? Did you get your Glam Bag? Like I said, I've only had my Glam Bag 2 days, I think, for February. Got it the 27th, I think, of February. Well, ended the 28th. I already had videos scheduled for those days. I'm not going to bump them to put a Glam Bag up. I don't know. I'm just frustrated with Ipsy beyond belief. But thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.